Hey guys, it's Odyssey Hazard 44. At the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe and rate and comment. So this is the We the People 2011 bike check. Started. We the People Mad Max bars. They're chrome. They're 8.7 rise, 8.7. It's a nice rise. It's really tall. You don't really have to crouch over when you're riding. It's really nice. Cult face grips in orange. They're like really comfy once you get them worn in. They're like, I think, one of the best grips I've had. We the People, or not We the People, Odyssey plastic buttons. Salt Plus stem, to the stock stem, what it came with. Salt Plus headset. Salt Plus forks. They're forged and they have the bolts, but they have the Allen keys in it, so you use the Allen key. Salt Plus hub with a flat tripping rim and Odyssey tire, Aeronos tire with kink pegs in the front and back. 2011 truss frame. We the People seat in black with a seat post. It's just a regular seat post it came with. The seat post clamp is just stock. Don't really care. Salt Plus cranks in orange with the clap PC pedals. Salt Plus sprocket. I don't know if I said that. Green half-link chain with big flat tripping rim in the back as well. It's cassette. Salt Plus cassette hub with an Aiken tire, Aiken Tamil. That's pretty much it. As soon as the snow melts, I'm probably just gonna do a bit of riding videos. I just can't really ride right now. It's too snowy and stuff. But also just give you a sound of the hub. There you go, guys, the We the People 2011 Trust. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Alright.